How to split screen and multitask on Android. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I will be teaching you how you can split screen and multitask on your Android device. Now before we begin, if you're new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified whenever we release a new video. Now let's jump right in. So the first thing that you'll need to do to split your screen and then multitask is first open the app that you want to use in a split screen. So let's say that I want to open up my Google Drive, and now I want also to use my Google Play Store. So I'll just open up my Google Play Store first, then swipe up from the bottom of the screen, and there you will see drag and release here for pop-up view option. So just do that, and now there will be a small window that will appear when for your app that you opened up first. Now you can go ahead and open the other app. So now I can use both of these together, and it's that simple, and that's how you do it. Now if you want to remove this, you can see, let me just go back, you can see the cross option on the top right of the window. If I tap on it, it will get removed. Now you can do this with your YouTube as well. So locate your YouTube, open it up. Now let's say that you want to play some music or anything at the background. Just select a video and then swipe it from the bottom, and there you'll see drag and release here for pop-up view. Do the same and release it there. After you've done that, you can then go ahead and just use whatever you'd like. So I'll just open up the drive again, and now if I want to play a music, I can play a music from here, let it stay at the background like this, and start swiping stuff. And yeah, that's how you do it, and that is it for today's video. Thanks for watching, stay tuned for more, and bye bye.